how can you turn down the volume of the iPhone's alarm specifically? So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. So you don't use the volume in the control center, and you also most likely don't use the physical buttons for volume, but instead go to the settings and find the sounds and haptics section. And at the top of the list, you're gonna see the alerts and volume for, the ringtones and alerts. So this is a volume slider and controller, but not for the content or the videos, music that you're listening to, but it is for the incoming calls, alerts, and this includes the alarms as well. So this is where you decided the alarm volume of your iPhone. So if you feel like it's too loud, you can turn it down like this, and this is how it's going to apply to your alarm in the morning. So of course, that is how it works for the Apple clock built-in alarm. There are also some third-party alarms which you can download from the App Store, and those might have some separate controllers for the volume and for some other things as well. But at the end of the day, this is the place in the settings where alerts and all of that kind of like ringtone sounds can be managed. So let me know if you found it. Let me know if it worked for you to begin with. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this.